your bright blue sky. Lonely night.
I'm sensing a lot of regret, so we have this one in reverse. We also have this compass. We also got the camera in either way. So, meron siguro nagsisisi dahil sa ginawa niyang pagkakamali before na baka itong tao na to meron siyang evidence or pwedeng nag-i-espia siya. Tapos, this person could be working for somebody na hindi mabuti. So, ngayon, this person is realizing things and feeling regretful of, you being blamed and so on. So, I feel like with the compass being here, this person is divinely guided to do the right thing. I feel like before, this person is a backstabber. I feel like a close friend of yours. So we have the heart here. So nakakalungkot ito guys, kasi kung sino man yung nag-betray sa'yo, ito yung tao na pinakitaan mo ng mabuti at minahal mo as maybe as a friend, as a lover, as a colleague, or so forth. And I feel like you don't ever deserve na i-betray. So we all have this one. So you definitely is somebody na upright, to be honest, and maybe nagtagpo kayo with this person to actually encourage them to be good. Really forgive about the noise. So we have our greatest blessings is in either way. So nakalungkot na hindi ka man niya tinignan as a blessing, okay? Kasi naka in either way ito. Parang ba napag-utusan siya mag-spiya sa'yo, tapos nakita niya mabuti ka, but yet pinagpatuloy niya yung ginagawa niya masama. So we have this one here in either way. So somehow, this person is kind of like feeling the guilt within, pero patuloy pa rin yung ginagawa yung kasamaan before. Nakakalungkot guys. So we have this arrow. So this person definitely backstab you. As you can see, my angel is in either way. Kasi siguro yung dahilan din is na brainwash siya. Baka yung taong sinabihan siya na gawin ito, sinabihan siya na hindi ka mabuti, kasi I feel like yung my angel pa ayaw maniwala na mabuti kang tao. To be honest with you. Parang masaniwala siya dun sa nag-utos sa kanya na mag-spiya sa'yo. Tapos gumawa ng kalokohan and so on. So you have the wow is in either way. So ibig sabihin lang nun na parang siyang na-overwhelm sa'yo. Parang hindi niya kalain na mabuti kang tao. Parang ba siyang nagdadalawang isip about you. Meron siyang guilt within. That's why this person is kinda like regretful on some point. Kasi feeling ko pinapakita sa kanya ng Panginoon na hindi ka masama. Okay? I feel na nangyari na yung hurt. Kasi I'm sensing also tears. Nangyari na yung hindi inaasahan na pangyayari na nalaman mo na masama pala siya, na nag-espiya pala siya, and so on. Masakit sa'yo kasi first of all, minahal mo itong tao na to, trinato mo siya ng mabuti. Pero yung kapalit nun is ganito, nag-backstab siya sa inyo, tapos tinuro ka pa niya na masama, which is not good. So anyway, pinapakita ito sa'yo ng Panginoon kasi He's doing this kinda like triggering your person to believe that you are not that, bad of what others have spoken against you. Okay, tsaka gusto ng Panginoon na ipakita rin na, somehow, parang pinapandar niya yung konsensya ng mga tao. Lahat ng tao naman may konsensya, okay? May mga tao lang na parang hindi nila pinapansin yun, parang mas pinaniniwalaan nila yung negative kaysa doon sa positive. Nakakalungkot talaga. So, take some time to heal. Kasi na-feel ko yung tears. Maybe the damage has been done. Hugs to every one of you. So, parang pinapakita lang sa iyo ng Panginoon ito as a closure. Maybe some of you are asking, ano na kayo nangyari dun sa taong yun? So this is your closure. So anyway, that's it with regards to you, this message. I hope that this message may give you some insight and awareness, and God bless you.